Hello, I'm Sam Dyson from Luxury Locations and I'm here at Driftwood Villas. This unique opportunity to own 2 properties on 1 plot. This opportunity is to own 2 properties. Obviously, one is completed at the moment and has a tenant in it at the moment. The other property is under construction. The construction phase will take approximately 4 months to complete. So that means if you were to buy these 2 properties together, the construction could be completed by the time that the sale completes. So when you actually receive the title for the property, you could have 2 completely finished properties. This is ideal as an investment opportunity and to have Airbnbs or to have a property with 2 adjoining properties where family can spend time together. Let's take a look inside the completed property to get a better idea of the layout of the property and what it would be like for the second property. As you come into the kitchen, you can see it's a large, expansive kitchen. There's an enormous amount of storage. It's Italian fitted fixtures. There is a double oven, double sink, gas hob, and an enormous amount of storage, as I said. That leads on to the dining area, which is just at the top of the stairs here. And as I move through, you're in this large lounge. So the upstairs is really just a big, expansive, open area living space. Now, the last section is the terrace to the front, which has a view over the lake. We've seen the indoor space and the open plan living area. I'm now going to take you out to the exterior area. There is a table set for 6 and a lounge area. We've seen the upstairs and we've obviously accessed from the stairs. Now we're going to go downstairs to the 3 bedrooms. I've just come down the stairs. And quite conveniently in this property, there is a guest access into the main living area upstairs, but there is also access on the ground floor to the 3 bedrooms. As you saw when I came downstairs, there's a guest bathroom just at the base of the stairs, and then there are 3 bedrooms. As you can see, there's 3 doorways here, and firstly, I'm going to take you into the main bedroom, which is the only bedroom that has an ensuite. The main bedroom has ample storage, air conditioning, a fan, and a lovely ensuite. We've looked at the main bedroom and the ensuite, and as you come out, you get onto this lovely terrace, and that follows straight onto the pool. I've just come out of the main bedroom and now I'm going into the secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom has ample storage, air conditioning, a fan and double doors that open out onto the patio leading onto the pool deck. Coming out of the second bedroom, I'm now going to go into the 3rd bedroom. There is a queen bed, ample storage, air conditioning and a fan. We've now looked at the existing property, which, as I said before, is currently being rented. Now, the 2 properties are for sale. The secondary one, the build completion will be approximately 4 months. The 2 properties are being sold together, so it's not a case of you can buy one and leave the other. They are one property together. However, in the future, if you chose to do so, you could subdivide as a condominium and have 2 condominium properties as 2 3-bedroom properties with a shared pool and shared living areas. The build contract and sale contract could allow for the building of the second property to be completed prior to completion. So when you are actually given the keys, when you complete the sale, you would end up with 2 complete properties ready to be rented and occupied. Likewise, one of the big advantages, because the secondary property is being built and that is part of the sale, the existing owner will touch up and improve this property at the same time. So effectively it'll be repainted, it can have a few touch-ups changed, and it will mean that both properties are looking absolutely brand new at the point of purchase. The secondary property, which although it looks as if it hasn't really started, in buildings, and particularly with buildings and the way we construct property in Antigua, although it looks as if it's only the slab in, approximately 50% of the cost or around that goes into the foundation, the cistern, and all of the infrastructure in the property. So therefore, it is only a 4-month wait to have the walls, the roof, and all the finishing completed. What that means is that it is not a long time to have the property ready, up and running, but it also means, and one of the big advantages of it is if you want to have some input, for example, you'd like to alter the kitchen, change the design slightly, then that is all possible because the plans are in place, but an owner could come in and put their personal stamp on the property as they wished. These two properties are marketed at $945,000 US, and that is with both properties completed and the touch-ups done on the existing property. So it will be as if you have two brand new properties with a shared pool. If you would like further information on this property or any other properties we have for sale, please contact us at info@luxurylocations.com. If you like this video and you want to see more properties and opportunities that may be available for you in Antigua, then please follow our YouTube and subscribe to our channel.